glass of milk on your table has a story, one that begins long before it reaches the shop or at the home. Behind that story is a world of innovation, effort, and evolving technology in dairy farming. Across farms today, traditional methods are blending with the smart machines and simple tools that make life easier for farmers and better for cows. But what exactly is changing? What are the farmers adapting, and what are the roles that technology plays in the journey from cows to cup? In these special features, we spoke with key players in the dairy industry, a farmer, a veterinary expert, and a dairy seller, to explore how modern tools like milking machine, ear tags, and chaff cutters are reshaping the future of dairy farming today. Welcome. My name is Daniel Kehoro.
We also have blue ear tags. We also have the red ear tags. We have the convection semen that is divided into some breeds, the Rocco and the imported breeds. And also we have the security semen that it's divided into Rocco and imported semen.
As a dairy farmer, you also need to have a milking machine. For example, if you have 10 cows, it eases your labor because imagine 10 cows milking around. If you are to employ farm hands, you will need like 3 or 2.
This is Paulito Gamal from Nyandarua County, Kinangop Beginning location. My farm is located at Nyandarua County, South Kinangop, a few kilometers from Nakuru Naivasha Highway. My name is Nixon Kamau. I'm a veterinarian officer from Nyandarua County, and today I'm here at Paulito's farm, and thank you for having me. Welcome. I feel very happy to be here.
My name is John. I'm from Mumuru. I'm a dairy farmer where I had come to Paulito's farm to source a cow, of which I've got which I wanted. And I think Paulito is a real deal.
One of the biggest changes in dairy farming is adopting milking machine. This machine saves time, reduces the need of manual labor, and improve milk hygiene.
And one of the technologies that I have found in my farm, and it has been serving me good, is the milking machine. Yes. Milking machine use it here because it saves some time, and also it helps us get the milk when it's clean. You as a vet, you tell us the importance of using the milking machine, and also help some other farmers who have been using hard milking to come into milking machine system. When it comes to milking machines, there are several types of milking machines. We have the 1 bucket, we have the 2 bucket, and we also have the 3 or the 4 bucket system. Yeah. The milking machine, it has several advantages at the farm. As you have said it, the first thing is it saves time. Yeah. The time taken by hand milking or the milking by the hand person, it takes a lot of time as compared to the use of the milking machines. Another advantage of using the milking machines, as you have said it, it reduces the contamination of milk. Since the milk does not come into contact with the hand, it is very clean, and it reduces chances of the milk being contaminated or the animal getting infections such as mastitis. Another advantage of the milking machines, when it comes to a large herd of dairy cows, it is very easy to use a milking machine instead of using the hand. Since maybe let's say you are milking about 20 cows. For a person to milk all of them, it will take more than an hour. But with the use of the milking machine, it can cut the time into half. which saves on time, and there is efficiency in the farm. So I would advise farmers who are practicing dairy farming and who have from 5 to 10 and above dairy animals to use the milking machines. They are very efficient and they save on time and they are cost effective.
Another key tool in modern dairy management is the ear tag. These small identifiers are used to track individuals' cows, their healthier history, milk production, and breeding details. Ear tags often comes in different colors, each color serving a unique purpose, such as indicating a cow's age group, health status, or production category. This system allows for quicker decision making and better animal management on the farm.
Many people maybe don't know what are ear tags. These are some small plastic that are tags that are written names and numbers that we put on the ears of the animals. Something that helps in knowing which cow is which. The other thing is it helps us know the production of each animal in milk quantity. This helps also to keep track of the health records in the status of the animal.
We have several ear tags. Tuko na ear tags za yellow ambazo ziko na jina ya farm na iko na jina ya ng'ombe. We also have blue ear tags. We also have the red ear tags. When it comes to ear tag application, you have to have several things ambazo ni kama ear tag applicator, which is this one. You also need to have the ear tags and the pins, and then you have a cooperative animal, and you just put on the right or the left ear of the animal. Ear tags come in different varieties. There are those with the bull name, the date of birth, and the sire or the dam. We also have other ear tags that only have the name and the name of the farm. In our case, we have the ear tags with the name of the cow and the name of the farm.
So also you can identify some also importances of putting the ear tags of the ears of the animal.
Thank you. We have several types of ear tags. We have ear tags that contain numbers. We also have other ear tags that contain the sire. We have the dam and the date of birth. The sire is the bull that was used for the daughter to be born. The dam was the mother of the daughter. Those are used when we do something we call breeding records. For animals that have breeding records, the tags are very efficient to show the date of the birth, the lineage, whether the animal is a pedigree, or it shows the generation of the animals that has been before that particular animal. Ear tags also are important in maintaining feeding records. They help in keeping records of, calving. You have the time of milking, the quantity. They are very efficient for record keeping in the farm, and I would advise all farmers to have ear tags on their animals so that they can have efficient records on their farm.
Feeding cattle effectively is just as important as milking them. With chaff cutters, fodder is chopped in small and digestible pieces, which improves feeding efficiency and reduces the waste. This is not only saves times for the farmer, but also support better digestion in cows, leading to improved milking yield and healthier livestock.
Prefer using chaff cutters because they eases the feeding of the cows. They also save time, whereby If you are to feed 5 cows, you take less than even 30 minutes to chop those feeds, and your cows gets to eat enough.
We have the open shelters, and we have some the cross-based shelters of the animals. So does this depend with the location that you have, that you put the open shelter, or this is you put the cross-based shelter? So myself, I've been putting the open shelter because my place is somehow warm, and because of the many animals, so I tend to open the shelter, the shelter of the animals shed, so that we can have some aeration. We can control the smell, and also the animals can breathe the fresh air. So also I can as well ask you to identify some importance of the maybe you can tell us, we can put the open or closed shelters, that and also does this depend with the location of the farms? Yeah.
When it comes to the construction of a shed of a dairy farm, the one thing you have to look for is the location of the farm, because in some areas we have the hot climate, we have the warm climate, and in some areas it's very cold. So in designing a shed, those are some of the key important factors you have to put in place. For areas with a lot of cold, it's advisable for the animals to be in an enclosed space where they are protected from the cold and from the rain when it rains a lot.
Also, Mr. Vet,
Yes.
I have another question that I have been asked by most of the people, and I want us to talk about these are the breeds that we serve the animals with. We have the sexed semen, we have the conventional semen.
Yes.
I want us to elaborate on this and discuss about conventional semen and sexed semen. So we have the conventional semen that is divided into some breeds, the local and the imported breeds. And also we have the sexed semen that also it's divided into local and imported semen. So can you elaborate further on this?
Yes.
And so that our farmers get enlightened?
Yes. When it comes to AI services, as you have said, we have the conventional semen and we have the sexed semen. When it comes to the conventional semen, there are 2 types of semen. There are the local semen and the imported conventional semen. On the local semen, these are the bulls of a particular country. Let's say, for example, in Kenya, we have an organization called the KAGRIC, the Kenya Genetic Resource Center, that produces the local semen, which is from the local bulls. When it comes to the imported conventional semen, this semen comes from other countries, and majorly it comes from the Netherlands. We have the UK, we have the US, and the Canada.
From milking system to ear tags and feeding equipments, technology is making dairy farmers more data-driven and less labor-intensive. As we have heard from our guests in the field, embracing these tools, it's no longer a luxury, but a necessary in today's changing agricultural landscape. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. My name is Daniel Kihoro.